Hey, what's up guys? Today is going to be a quick video on a new action camera I picked up. Now if you watch my channel over these years, you've seen I've used a lot of different equipment for the exterior action shots. Oftentimes that's been a GoPro Hero. I've had the original Hero all the way through the Hero 7, so 5, 6, and 7. And recently I've been a little disappointed because I haven't been able to get external audio into my footage in a way that I really like. And so if you recall, the Heroes before GoPro Hero 5 had a micro USB exterior jack, and you could just plug in a regular 3.5mm mic into it and you were fine. And then we got to the Hero 5 and 6 and now the Hero 7, which is what I have here. This is the Hero 7 Black. And frankly, I've just been disappointed in the audio that I've gotten from this. It's just not been the same. So the video is outstanding. I think it's awesome. But the drawback to the Hero 7, 5, 6, and 7 is external mic input. Now, the crazy part about this is there is a solution. It's a rather expensive solution from GoPro. It is this contraption that, frankly, you have to buy from GoPro because nobody else makes this. The problem is, for the last maybe year and a half, this has been back ordered. You can't get it. It has a USB-C on one end and this big contraption, so it's not particularly compact, but that's what I've got. The problem is this no longer works. For some reason it just stopped working and I haven't been able to get good external audio in a way that I like. So, fast forward to DJI Osmo. DJI released a new product. It's the Osmo Pocket, which is just this awesome camera. Now, if you know anything about DJI, they've done and made drones. Their drones are ridiculous. They've obviously miniaturized their cameras to be able to do that. So I've had actually what I feel like every version of the DJI drone except for the Inspire, that huge professional kind of drones I don't have. But I've had a lot of their other smaller drones and I absolutely love them. So when I heard they were releasing an action camera, I was like, yes! And this is what it looks like, frankly. Here it is. So it sits, and its attachment goes with any other GoPro. But this is what it looks like. And it looks exactly, I shouldn't say exactly because it's not exactly. It looks fairly similar to the GoPro Hero. It's got a slightly bigger screen on the back. And what's really revolutionizing about this, and really revolutionary about this, is it's got a camera on the front as well. So if you're using it in selfie mode, you can frame yourself right. It's pretty awesome. 4K, 60 frames per second in this awesome camera. Apparently 2 microphones built in as opposed to the GoPro that has 3. This does incredible hyperlapse. So I'm going to do a formal review on this. This is waterproof to about down to 11 meters, which is deeper than the GoPro. I'm not really using this for underwater stuff. I hope I never submerge the Purple Monte. But I'm going to show you some samples from this. This shoots video HDR, which is what I did today in 4K, with some audio samples, and I'm hoping I'm going to hear the crackles and stuff from this camera today. So I'm really excited to share this with you. I'm probably going to do a formal review on this camera once I've had a chance to play with it a little bit more, but I just wanted to do a quick video, capture some audio, capture some video, and see if in fact this new action from DJI will replace my Hero 7, because I love that camera. The audio, the video is great on it, but the audio not so good. They also have something called Hyper Rock Steady, which is the equivalent of Hyper Smooth on the GoPro, and that steadies out your shakiness in your video in camera. And supposedly, I saw a couple of videos on this where it just blows Hyper Smooth away, and so I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to put a couple of links in my description for this camera if you're interested in getting it. And like I said, I'm going to do a formal review on this. It looks like a pretty awesome camera. It's solid, and if it's anything from DJI, you know it's going to be good. So let's see how this goes. Take a look at this footage and tell me what you think in the description below. Alright guys, there you have it. The DJI Action with an external mic. Actually, this is the external mic that I use, so just a regular lavalier mic. And I think it could be the solution to the problems that I've had with the Hero 7. No external input for audio, and it's been frustrating because this thing crackles like mad, and you never get that on video. Not the way I'd like it. So if we could get really clean audio, that would be awesome. I'm hoping the DJI Osmo Action is the solution. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below to this camera and some of the other gear that I use, and let me know what you think about the audio, and just as important, the video. Is it pretty good? I shot this in 4K 30 HDR, so I'm hoping the video actually turned out pretty well as well. This may be my solution to the lack of good, clean audio from the Purple Monday on a rally. So let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn notification on so you get these videos when I post them. Who knows? This may be my new solution, and maybe I'll get rid of my other GoPro cameras. Maybe I'll give them away. Maybe you don't want them. But anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you again in the next video. Peace.